Entrepreneurs aren't just running a business, but it's more than that. It is about innovative ideas, taking risks, and creating something new. They not only just start a business, but also provide jobs and help grow the economy. Now, we have a student to present how to pitch your dream in business.
These respected teachers, dear students, and my fellow friends. On behalf of Muthamil Public School, I warmly welcome you all to our exciting show, Business Battle Pitch Your Dream. Today, our young entrepreneurs will present their creative ideas to our powerful panel of investors, Mr. Rashid, Mr. Akash, and Ms. Soundarya, who are ready to put their money in if the pitch is worth it. So, sit back, enjoy, and get ready to witness innovation in action. Scene 1, the entrepreneurs are waiting outside and the investors are entering the partnership firm. Hello, sir. There are entrepreneurs waiting outside. Shall I send them?
Please make them wait. I will consult it with my partner and let you know in a few moments.
Scene 2, our investor Ms. Soundarya is presenting principles of business pitching in another conference.
Crafting an effective pitch is a fundamental skill in various domains, from entrepreneurship to personal communication. This presentation, Principles of Pitching, will delve into the core elements that underpin successful pitching. Clarity in communication. A pitch should always be simple and easy to understand. For that, avoid using complex terms and technical jargon that might confuse your audience. Conciseness and precision. Time is limited during a pitch, so a good pitch delivers only the most important details without unnecessary elaborations. Credibility and reliability. Building trust is essential. Supporting a pitch with facts, statistics, case studies, or personal communication makes your message believable. Confidence in delivery. The way you present matters as much as what you present. Strong body language, good posture, eye contact, and a clear voice convey confidence. Impactful closing. A strong ending leaves a lasting impression. Summarize your idea briefly and finish with a clear call to action. What do you want the audience to do next? At the end of the day, we are not just investing in ideas, we are investing in people. A pitch is more than just numbers and slides. It's about how the entrepreneur communicates. Thank you.
Scene 3, our investors are calling Ms. Soundarya to the partnership firm to invest in potential business ideas.
There are two entrepreneurs waiting to share their business idea. Let us consult it with our partner, Ms. Soundarya.
Hello, Ms. Soundarya. There are two entrepreneurs waiting to share their ideas. Could you please join with us?
I'll be there in few minutes.
Okay.
Where are the entrepreneurs?
Let me call them. Send me those entrepreneurs.
Excuse me, may we get in?
Please come in.
Good morning. Please have your seat.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, sirs. It's an honor to be here today.
Could you please present your idea?
I'll give a brief introduction about myself. I'm Janani and I hold a master's degree in supply chain management from Bangalore University. For the past 5 years, I have worked in product development and logistics with a leading consumer goods company.
And I'm Mutti Lekya. I completed my MBA in Marketing and Sustainability in Anna University. And I have been closely involved in NGOs and eco-conscious campaigns and sustainability branding initiative.
Thank you for the opportunity to express our business idea. Here we begin. Our company, Natrika, the name reflects our vision combining nature with practical innovation.
Under our company, Natrika, we bring you our flagship product, EcoWrite, the pen with purpose. And our motive is to revolutionize the way we write by turning everyday pens into a powerful tool for environmental change and eliminating plastic waste, inspiring conscious choices, and proving that sustainability can start with a single word.
EcoWrite is more than just a pen. It's a seed of change. Ink your thoughts and root your future.
Interesting. And tell us, how do you manage your supplies?
We source our raw materials from multiple states like Gujarat, Karnataka, Haryana, Maharashtra, Kerala, Tamil Nadu, Rajasthan and Madhya Pradesh. This ensures consistent and sustainable supply.
Okay, but where do you maintain your stocks?
Our inventory hubs are in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh, and these states give us a strong and logistic connectivity.
What about expansions? Are you only focusing on India?
Not at all. Our immediate import targets include all Indian states, including Delhi.
And in 5 years, we aim to expand our exports to the South Asian countries.
Impressive. You have clearly planned both local strength and global vision. Your product is unique, but how will you make it affordable for mass markets?
Yes, sir. We have kept a basic EcoWrite pen at ₹10 so schools, students and daily users can easily adopt it.
All right, but what about professional and premium side of the market?
For professionals and office users, we have a premium version at ₹20. This balances the affordability with higher margin.
And do you plan for gifting or corporate bulk orders?
Yes, ma'am. We have kept up Eco-Ride gift pens for rupees 90 designed for corporate gifting and eco-conscious events.
Interesting. And how do your margins look?
Our margin is from 40 to 50% with the target of 8 lakh. Beyond the segment, this gives us both volume sale plus profitability.
That's sustainable pricing.
You have got a solid product, but how will you actually get into people's hand?
We start with direct distribution to schools, colleges, and stationery shops across Tier 1 and Tier 2 cities.
Okay, but what about scaling beyond local markets?
We are tying our brand with our leading retail chains like Reliance Smart, Big Bazaar and local co-ops to push the mass availability.
And e-commerce? Many eco products fail because they skip digital reach.
We won't miss that. Amazon, Flipkart, and our own website will serve pan-India customers.
Sounds good, but storage and logistics can kill cost if not optimized. How do you handle that?
Our regional warehouse set up in Punjab, Uttar Pradesh and Madhya Pradesh to ensure the faster delivery and lower freight cost.
So essentially you're covering retail chains, national retail, commerce, e-commerce. That's a full circle distribution.
Exactly. Our strategy balances reach, speed, and cost efficiency.
Eco products are great, but they actually stay niche. How will you create awareness?
We'll run an Eco-Ride school drives, free samples plus workshop on sustainability. This way students adapt early, teachers become the advocates.
That's good for Gen Z, but how do you tap school or institutions?
We plan for flashing stalls at book fairs, college feast, and etc. to hope for high visibility and low spend.
And mass audience, ads can burn cash quickly.
This ensures sustainable and high visibility with higher and lower finance.
And what about long-term branding? A single campaign won't stick.
We tie our brand with the Eco Pledge movement, every pen sold equal to one plant initiative. This creates an emotional and lasting connect.
So your promotion mixes digital buzz, grassroots activation, events, social responsibility tie-ups. That's powerful.
Exactly. We are not just selling pens, we are building a movement.
You have got competitors like Plansil and BioQ. Why would people choose you?
They sell the Eco-Ride pens at rupees 25 to rupees 50. We sell the same at just rupees 10. It is scalable and affordable.
But price isn't everything. What's unique?
Our pen come with the seed capsule, write today, grow tomorrow. Plus we target a mass adoption through schools, corporates and NGOs.
That's very impressive. You're solving two problems at once, reducing plastic and promoting greenery.
I really like that idea. Imagine students finishing their exams, planting their pen and watching them grow into plants. That's a beautiful message.
I agree. You combine social responsibility with business. I'm definitely ready to invest.
The numbers are affordable, the idea is unique, and the timing is perfect. I'm in as well.
Count me in too. I strongly believe the market is ready for this kind of sustainable product.
Thank you, respected investors. Your support means a lot to us.
With your guidance and investment, Eco-Ride will not only replace plastic pens, but also plant hope for the future. Thank you.
Thank you. You may lean up.
Team EcoRide has proved that even a simple pen can bring about a big change. It's now time for our second team of investors to present their creative idea.
Send me the next one.
Excuse me.
Please come in.
Good morning, respected investors. Myself, Nabila, and these are my colleagues, Jason and Rashida, who are working in an IT sector, and myself, I'm running my own business. Today, we are here to talk about something we all rely on, but often taken for granted, light. Specifically, we are here to introduce you to Radiant Renova, our innovative solution for modern lighting.
Could you please present your idea?
Yeah, sure. At Radiant Renova, our mission is to improve renewable resources. We have developed a rechargeable LED light bulb that not only helps you save your electricity bills, but also provides a reliable source of light during power outages.
So, it's a rechargeable light bulb. What makes it different from others on the market?
Great question, Mr. Rashid. It's not just a light bulb. It's a versatile and reliable lighting solution. As you can see on this slide, our product offers several key perks. It's affordable and available to everyone. It's incredibly energy efficient, using less electricity and leading to significant saving on energy bills.
One of the important features is the long life battery and providing a source of light during an electricity outage, and this gives family and business peace of mind knowing they all having a light during an emergency. Unlike candle, this gives a safe and riskless.
Then what about the business side? How do you plan to get this product to customers?
we'll be using a multi-channel approach. We have a direct channel selling directly to customers through our company's website and a physical store. We'll be also using indirect channel, working with retailers and wholesalers. And of course, a strong online channel is critical, selling our product through major platforms like Amazon and Flipkart.
I see. You have identify Cisco as a competitor. They are big names in the market, but how can you compete with them?
You're right. Cisco is a strong player in the Indian electronics and LED lighting market, known for its wide distribution network and aggressive pricing. Their product range spans LED lighting, personal care appliances, and smart home solutions, targeting price-sensitive and tech-savvy customers. While they focus heavily on affordability and rapid market expansion, there is an opportunity for us to differentiate through superior product quality, innovation, and customer service.
A targeted orientar, family saving on bills, small business cutting costs, homeowners renovating, and anyone who cares about the planet. We have also built a solid financial foundation to support our growth. Since our founding in 2025, our revenue has grown from 5 lakh to an expected 5 million by 2028. Our profit margins are also increasing steadily from 10% to an anticipated 25%.
We currently having 6,000 customers and we have shifted our products to over 175 countries. This shows that the global need and demand what we offer.
I'm impressed with the numbers. What kind of investment are you looking for and what would it be used for?
We are seeking an investment of 6 lakh to scale our operation. This will allow us to capture larger market shares and continue to innovate our product line.
What's your ultimate version for Radiant Innova?
Our vision is for Radiant Innova to become a household name synonymous with reliability and sustainable lighting. Our aim is to become a leader of the sustainable movement and provide a product that not only saves your money but also saves the planet.
Nabila, Jasin, and Rashida, thank you. You all have put a lot of work into this. The financials are strong and the product addresses a real need, especially in areas with frequent power cuts.
I agree. The multi-channel distribution plan is well considered.
And you have done your homework on Cisco, acknowledging a major competitor and outlining a clear differentiation strategies as a business plan.
Thank you for your feedback. We believe in our ability to execute this vision. We believe with a partnership and we can accelerate our growth even further.
We will need some time to discuss this internally. We will be with it in decision soon.
The market for energy efficient lighting is definitely going to expand, and we believe that Radiant Innova is perfectly positioned to take lead.
Thank you. You may know. I would like to add something here. So far, we have seen few entrepreneurs were pitching their ideas to the investors. Some ideas were conceivable and we are ready to invest, while some ideas were kept aside. It is important to keep in mind that it just is not the end. It's just a stepping stone. Thank you.
Today's session reminded us that entrepreneurship is a journey of ideas, risks, and learning. Success is not just about getting a yes. Remember, every pitch is a lesson and every setback is a setup for a comeback. Keep inspiring, keep innovating, and we'll see you at our next pitch event. Thank you.